A bond is a type of investment where you lend money to an entity, such as a government or corporation, for a specific period. In return, the entity promises to pay you back the principal amount, the face value of the bond, on a set maturity date, along with periodic interest payments, usually twice a year. Bonds are considered fixed-income investments because they provide regular interest payments, known as coupon payments. Bonds can be issued by various entities, including governments, municipalities, and corporations. Maturity date is the date when the bond issuer repays the principal amount to the bondholder. The interest rate, or coupon rate, is the rate at which the issuer pays interest to the bondholder. Bonds are often used to diversify investment portfolios, provide a steady income stream, and hedge against the volatility of stocks.